Everyone, Theo Veenstra, Let's Buy Costa Rica, Amigos Real Estate Group, and it is the second week of March. We just wanted to touch base with you for March break and then bring you up to speed. Since my last newsletter, Isa has joined my team, and we worked together previously in San Jose. Her and her husband are from Venezuela, and she has been in Costa Rica for 7 years. And we've been planning for her to come and work with me for a couple of years now, and so finally we're there. And so I'm super excited to have her. It has really helped to take some of the workload off, and of course we can extend our marketing and get our umbrella just quite a bit bigger. So she not only is learning everything there is to know about real estate, and you'll see her with me quite often where she is out and about learning where everything is. She's also learning the golf cart business, of course, which is a big part of our marketing program to get out there and meet new buyers and new sellers. So that said, it's great. April 27th and 28th, we'll be going up to the Canada International Property Show in Toronto. And so I'm going to bring the Tres Amigos booth up there. There'll be a couple of us up there. And of course that's out to extend for our sellers, putting your properties on display and so on and so forth. Also going to do a couple private shows while I'm up there. One in Muskoka, of course, where I got into real estate. And we're going to do another one with a broker in Toronto and introduce our properties in our area of the world to a whole bunch of agents there, hoping to get some referrals and some buyers out of that. So that's kind of brings you up to speed where we're at. I have listed Monte Mar with Mike Mills last year, and just bring you up to speed on that. Phase 1 is coming along quite nicely. We've done quite a few sales in there. The infrastructure is going in quite nicely. I was there actually this morning, and I see the excavator working away to put water line in the second section of Phase 1. So that was pretty exciting. Things here on the beach have been fairly busy. Actually, as a matter of fact, put quite a few properties under contract earlier on this year. The Waldorf Astoria is coming along. The Ritz-Carlton was coming along. If you followed us when we went out on the Don Bosco with our clients, we were swimming basically right in front of the Ritz. It was pretty cool to see some of that. And we're still waiting on the one and only. We think it's going to go in. Naya, out by the airport. There's a construction crane up there now. They're starting to build the first tower. The first lagoon is pretty much ready to be filled. They're getting very, very close with that. So that's all exciting stuff. We've listed a couple more businesses for sale. I don't do a lot of businesses, but I have a couple. There's a really good opportunity in Comunidad, Alma Doce. So that's something that you might want to move down here and run your own business. It's a perfect opportunity for that. Anyway, Theo Veenstra, Isa Pacheco saying Pura Vida.